Hey, health hustlers, want to boost your health naturally? Imagine having a personal apothecary right in your home. We're diving into the top 10 natural herbs that should be in everyone's medicine cabinet. These power-packed plants have been used for centuries and are backed by modern science. Stick around for some easy, quick recipes to turn these herbs into DIY medicine. Let's get hustling. First up, turmeric. A bright yellow spice with potent anti-inflammatory properties thanks to curcumin. Turmeric also improves digestion, boosts your immune system, and supports brain health. One of my favorite ways to enjoy turmeric is with a warm cup of golden milk. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder with almond milk, add black pepper, and sweeten with honey. This golden elixir is perfect for easing joint pain or boosting your immune system. Next up is ginger, a kitchen staple known for its ability to soothe nausea, indigestion, and motion sickness. Ginger is also a potent cold and flu fighter with antiviral and antibacterial properties. My go-to ginger remedy? A fiery ginger shot. Grate fresh ginger, squeeze in lemon juice, and add cayenne pepper. This shot will wake up your senses and give your immune system a fighting chance. Let's talk about echinacea, a must-have for your natural medicine cabinet. Echinacea boosts your body's defenses, helping you fight off colds and flu. At the first sign of a sniffle, reach for echinacea tea. Steep dried echinacea in hot water, strain, and enjoy. Add lemon for extra flavor and a vitamin C boost. In today's fast-paced world, stress is unavoidable. That's where chamomile comes in. Chamomile promotes relaxation and sleep, easing anxiety and reducing stress levels. My favorite way to unwind is with chamomile tea, naturally caffeine-free. Add honey and lemon for extra relaxation. This soothing tea is like a lullaby for your mind and body. Next up is peppermint, a refreshing herb with menthol that soothes headaches and aids digestion. Peppermint can relieve bloating and reduce gas. Make a DIY essential oil rub. Mix peppermint essential oil with a carrier oil and massage onto temples or abdomen. The cooling sensation and refreshing aroma are an added bonus. Let's talk about lavender, synonymous with relaxation. Lavender reduces anxiety, promotes sleep, and eases tension. Diffuse lavender essential oil in your home or add a few drops to a warm bath. The calming aroma creates a relaxing atmosphere. Moving on to thyme, a fragrant herb with potent antibacterial and antiviral properties. Thyme helps loosen mucus and clear congestion in the airways. For respiratory support, make a steam inhalation. Add thyme to boiling water, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam. The thyme works its magic while the steam opens up your airways. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is the anti-stress adaptogen. Holy basil helps your body adapt to stress by regulating cortisol and has antioxidant properties. Enjoy holy basil tea. Steep fresh or dried leaves in hot water, strain, and add honey or lemon. This calming tea is great for starting or ending your day. Next up is sage, an herb that improves memory and cognitive function. Sage also has potent antimicrobial properties, making it great for sore throats and mouth ulcers. Make a sage gargle. Simmer sage leaves in water, strain, and let it cool. Gargle with the sage water to soothe inflammation and fight infection. Last but not least, calendula, a must-have for your natural first aid kit. Calendula has anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties. Make a calendula salve. Infuse petals in a carrier oil, strain, and use the infused oil to make a salve. Apply the salve to cuts, scrapes, burns, eczema, and acne. And there you have it, Health Hustlers, 10 powerful herbs for your medicine cabinet. Nature provides us with powerful remedies to support our health and well-being. Hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and let me know which herb you're adding to your cabinet in the comments. Stay healthy, stay hustling, and check out the ultimate herbal healing tea recipe in the description box below.